Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to get on here again and do your video of the day, but I wanted to show you again how the schedule is supposed to work. Some of you are still not watching these videos, and I can see it. I'm up at 8 a.m. watching your screens, and I can see who is not watching the video and who is. So thank you to you guys who are watching the videos and you're breezing through your work and you're doing a really nice job. There's only a handful of you who need to slow down and you need to watch how to do the schedule. So I'm going to go through it quickly right now so you know exactly what to do each and every day. Okay, let's get started. So you go to the Google Classroom page and you see Tuesday's schedule. Now, to make sure that everybody is watching this video, I am not going to post the schedule until 8:15. So that gives you 15 minutes to watch this video and kind of think about what I said in the video and how to do your work. So when the schedule posts, you are going to click it just like I did. You are going to do your reading first. That does not mean you are going to go all the way down to your writing and start writing. No, you are going to do your reading first. I am not releasing your writing prompt until 11 o'clock today, just to make sure that you are not doing your writing first. Also, same goes with science. I am not releasing your science assignment until 11, just to make sure you guys are doing all of the stuff in the correct steps. So you are going to do Raz Kids. You are going to complete your assignment. This is what I'm grading. Then, when you complete your assignment, if you do not have Lexia, you are going to read 2 more books in the reading room and complete the quizzes. If you do have Lexia, you are going to do Lexia for 20 minutes and get at least 4 units. 20 minutes and 4 units, you guys. You need to make sure you are doing it. You need to make sure you are doing these 3 things. They're very, very important for your reading. You still want to grow your stamina and you still want to be really good readers, okay? Once you are done with Raz Kids and Lexia, you go to do your Newsela article. A lot of you told me yesterday that oops, I already did my Newsela article. Well, you should have gone in order, Raz Kids first, then Lexia, then Newsela. And some of you asked me how to get to the Newsela article, which is a good question, so I'm going to show you right now. You go to your Clever, just like this, and you scroll down, and then you're going to click this app right here that says Newsela, right there. Then your Newsela article is going to be the first one that's up at the top. If you have Newsela articles that you have not done yet, I want you to try to catch up, and you need to do those today. So this is how you get to Newsela. This is how you get to Raz Kids right here. And this is how you get to extra math also. Or here's Lexia. You have to get to Lexia through your Clever. And then here's extra math. Everything is in Clever. If your website is not working, chances are that means that you need to go through Clever to log on into them. All right, let's see what's next. Next, today is different, so you need to pay attention. Today, you are not doing Zern. I'm going to try to alternate every other day, Zern and then a fun activity. So today you are doing Brain Pop. You need to click on the link. You are going to go to the link, and it may ask you for a username. This is the username right here, just Miss Leewald. Then it may ask you for a password. The password is right here. It is Madison1. Simple. So please do not ask me what the username and password is because it is right in the schedule. Most of your questions are in the schedule. That's why I'm saying check the schedule. Not because I'm trying to be mean, because I want you guys to be independent and I want you to be able to look at the schedule and to follow it. Okay? So then you are going to click on the games. So once you click on that link, you will go over here and click on games, game up, and there are a bunch of really fun area builder, battleship numberline, dig it, drop zone, a bunch of fun games that you guys can play for your math today. So does that mean that you have an exit ticket? Check the schedule. There is no exit ticket on the schedule. That means you do not have an exit ticket for today. Now, math is not over yet. You still need to do one full session of extra math after you do the brain pop. After you do your math, you are going to get on Typing Club for 15 minutes. This is a fun way where you guys can practice your typing at home instead of practicing at school. So, Typing Club for 15 minutes, that's going to be a pretty consistent thing, like every day. Then, big new thing that I added in here. You're going to take a break and you're going to look at your specials. See if you have any specials that you need to do for Miss Seller, Mrs. Winland, or Miss Finch. So check those at that time. Then you are going to silent read for 30 minutes, and then you are going to do your writing. See how much work you have to do before you get to the writing? You guys should not be doing your writing right at the beginning. Please do all the other stuff first. Remember, we do writing in science and social studies at the end of the day. So same goes for this. You should be doing it at the end of the day. All right, so once the writing prompt will upload at 11 o'clock today, and you will write about what you want to be when you're older, and you will give 3 reasons why, and you'll submit that through you'll go to classwork, and see these are scheduled for tomorrow. So when they post, you are going to click Tuesday writing prompt, and then there are your directions, and then you are just going to write it and send it to me. Same goes with science. Once you are finished with that on the schedule, exit off, and then you are going to go to science. And today science is, you're going to go to a farm. You're going to click this link right here, and you are going to pick which farm you want, and you're going to learn about it. See, it gives you a bunch of cool facts. You can click on these things. There you go. And then you are going to go to classwork, and then you're going to scroll down. It'll say down here in science, the Tuesday trip to the farm. You need to write about what you learned in a Google Doc or a Google slide and turn it in. So make sure you guys are doing that. I will show you from my end how I grade your stuff. So for example, yesterday's writing prompt. Whoops. I can see that it was assigned to 22 of you. 10 of you have turned it in, and 12 of you have not. So I can see right here, we have all of our friends who turned it in right there. And then it shows me my friends who did not turn it in yet over there. So make sure you are please turning these in. This is what I'm taking for grades. If you have any questions on where to find anything, please look at the schedule first and then ask me. If you have any questions on how to do any of the work, I will be happy to answer them. I'm just a text away through the Google chat, which you can see is right here. So make sure you guys are contacting me through the Google chat. All right, I hope you all have a great Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions. Tomorrow I am going to start with The Lion and the Witch in the Wardrobe. I just think this is really important to go over how to do the schedule until you all have a good idea of how to do it. All right, bye guys, have a good day.